How to set price alerts on Kraken Pro. First of all, open the Kraken Pro app and go to the market section. Next, select the trading pair you want to monitor, such as BTC or USD, by tapping on it. This will open the trading screen. On the trading screen, look for the Alerts tab or bell icon. Tap on it to open the price alert settings. Set your desired price level for the alert. This can be a price above or below the current market rate. You can add multiple alerts to track different price points if you like. Make sure notifications are enabled for Kraken Pro in your phone settings so you receive alerts on time. After setting your alerts, tap on Create Alert. You will get notified whenever the price hits your target. Now you know how to set price alerts on Kraken Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.